This will be the second police chief that I've seen go to the penitentiary since I've been in. I had a problem where the police chief in the town of Mendenhall that was holding a citizen without bond and without a hearing. I called Attorney Hood's office, asked them if they would come help me to investigate this police chief because we had had other allegations on him. I was looking for a confidential investigation with the AG's office, and when I would talk to the investigators, it always come right back to the police chief. Jim Hood's office looked out for their buddy more than they did for the citizens of the United States and the state of Mississippi. The Attorney General's office actively interfered in my investigation. Jim Hood turned a blind eye to the problems with public corruption in Simpson County, and my office, along with Mike Hurst, put a public official in jail.